Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating history of Mathews County, Virginia, from its early days to the present. So grab a comfy seat and let's get started. First off, Mathews County was founded in 1791 and carved out of the larger Gloucester County. It's named after Thomas Mathews, a prominent figure in the American Revolutionary War. The county has always been known for its maritime heritage, with the Chesapeake Bay playing a central role in its development. Back in the 18th and 19th centuries, shipbuilding and trading were the lifeblood of Mathews County. The area was bustling with shipyards, and the local economy thrived on the construction of schooners and other vessels. This maritime tradition has left an indelible mark on the county's culture and identity. Fast forward to the Civil War era, and Mathews County played a strategic role due to its location along the Chesapeake Bay. The waters surrounding the county were hotspots for naval engagements and blockades. Despite the turmoil, the resilient community rebuilt and continued to thrive post-war. Moving into the 20th century, Mathews County saw significant changes. The rise of modern transportation and industry brought new opportunities and challenges. The county's economy gradually shifted from maritime activities to agriculture and tourism. It became a peaceful retreat known for its beautiful landscapes and rich history. Today, Mathews County is a blend of old and new. It's a place where you can still see historic homes and shipyards, but also enjoy modern amenities and vibrant community events. The annual Mathews Market Days festival is a perfect example, showcasing local crafts, food, and music. So whether you're a history buff or just love exploring charming locales, Mathews County has something to offer. It's a testament to how a community can evolve while staying true to its roots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.